a lala. Lala is a lala. All right, welcome back. And maybe just give you some business tips for today. 2 or 3 tips, marketing tips to help your business grow well. Now, the first one we're going to give you, say you need to design targeting, advertising, and customer communication. Now, most people will just start business and they not place adverts. They not even do word of mouth communication. They not even tell people at all. They assume, say, okay, because I don't start my business, people will not say, yes, I don't start them. No. The best way for you to promote your business is to make sure, say, you do better advertising so that people will sabi your business well. Number 2, you need to invest in people. Your staff now your most precious assets. Now it's very appalling when you see some organization, they know they invest on their staff, because now what you give into your staff, now what they go give. That's now why we talk about the educational sector today. Where we say teachers are complaining, police people are complaining that now they pay them where they enter street, where they collect money, and at the end of the day do badness. So you need to invest very much in your staff. You need to give them incentives, things that will make them happy to work. Not because they always come out their salary or not from them. You understand? You need to make your staff they very happy. And number 3, you need to make sure, say, your shop front, they immaculate. Now, good presentation, 9 the height of any business. If I come your work today and I see mosquito or I see cockroach and everything, they fly up and down, trust me, I know we'll carry Oluchi go there. Good presentation. How is your customer service? Did they welcome me with smile? Did they welcome me with frown? Did they welcome me and say, hello, good morning, Miss Uvi Egiam, say, how may I help you? Things like this go make me want to tell every other person, say, if you go this place, that they treat you very well. And number 4, the last hour I'll give you today, you need to get pricing strategy. It say not just set a price based on production cost and plus a margin. Say pricing a powerful tool for you to achieve your goals. Decide which you they try to achieve and what message you they give her by setting your price at a certain level. Setting your price at a certain level, because sometimes I go Oluchi store, I see this thing 20,000. The same thing I don't see them for you. I see them for another place 15,000. You need to go do your own research to find out the particular place where you go place your price, and then watch out, your business could bloom, like say tomorrow, not day. All right, that's now the tips, marketing tips for your business, because we want to make your business grow. We get health.
All right, so this one very funny and strange. Even myself, I did look the research
when I see them,
because we need to be very careful the way we take talk some of these things because Oyibo people too they decrease. Because some of the things they go say do this, they go still say don't do.
I tell you.
That's why. I don't know. Well, if you don't buy vegetable from markets where they're already packaged, where they don't put pre-wash on top of the body, it just makes sense make you not to wash them again. Because half of the wash, if you can't wash all the better things where they the body of the vegetable. Even when you buy organic food, make you still wash them. Maybe potato where the sand still there the body, or yam or anything where you buy, make sure say you wash them at least, even if for nothing, just to come out the dirty where they on top the body. I want to make you know, be say anything where they don't put pesticide on top. No how where you go wash, where you go feel wash everything. Because most of these our fruits now they get microfiber for the body, and that means say even holes where you know if you see it did the body. That means say some of it go down seep into the thing. So don't kill yourself, because no matter what you eat, at least if you wash it moderately, the one will remain, if you keep it.
I didn't get one nutritionist who tell me one time, say, if you don't buy your vegetable from market, one way they never cut. Say, yes, that one now you go wash them. Not when you don't cut them, you can't wash them, because they come out the more.
Once you don't cut veggie, you've already opened some of the pores of the kidney. So that means you go to see green for your knife.
Yes,
and the juice.
They come out.
So by the time when you wash, the water go green. And that means all half of the things the way you don't do. What I just do is once I buy veggie, I just put it under water like this.
Just shake them.
Yes, shake out from the roots.
Where the whole have.
Sometimes I wash the root first, separately.
Then you wash the leaf.
Then I can wash the leaf.
All right, be like say honorable. Honorable coming in. Honorable, they come inside.
I rested. Away from trouble.
I envy you. Forget, Lord.
I really thank God for the time. And I did not use anybody's money. Nobody paid for my holiday.
Super, my sister. Talk it well.
Woman, where have you been all this while?
I've been to London to see the Queen.
You know go mountain?
If I go corner, your money now take go.
I hope you no carry your wahala come this period.
I don't carry and come.
Well, dear, how are you?
Good morning, Ella.
How are
Good morning.
you?
Deceive yourself.
Welcome.
How are you? What is
fine.
happening? How are you there?
Nothing that happened, Honorable. We just make you talk about our top story of the day.
Okay,
and it
what you mean,
concerns
top story?
president, as it don't come as I talk, say, people where you know vote for Ramu, the ones where vote for Ramu, say you know go treat them equally. That one means you go concentrate on the ones where vote for Ramu.
That one, if I see the talk, I say, Mr. President, which kind of talk with this? You owe, look, this is no, look, you owe every Nigerian the responsibility of development. Whether they vote for you or they don't vote for you, it is your job as Mr. President to make sure, say, development reach the country.
Simple.
This one will say, you don't know what that one say.
Why you dey stretch your neck like this?
What's happen?
You fall inside the whip powder.
What's he doing?
Hey! Oh, Juju Calabar. See him first. As a white.
Don't worry.
Honorable.
We know where you sleep.
This is what I'm trying to avoid.
I beg you. She's possible
Will
already.
you leave my cap?
You don't start again. You don't
Oh,
start
look,
again.
she leave him
No, you don't start
alone.
again. This time
Go
one day.
and wipe your powder. Shameless man.
I've said my own. You owe every Nigerian the responsibility of development, not just restrict.
I beg,
As if you don't go do the
you guys
same.
do like say you carry 9 months.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.